Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
Right now, I want to bring on one of the most popular musicians to have ever come out of this country. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring in people